Happy Tuesday!
It's cold.
It's cold today. Ayaw nang bumangon. Here, we're eating our breakfast. What's our breakfast, guys? Taco. Toasted bread. And chocolate milk. Juice. Orange. Yan, guys. Kain tayo. Say good morning, Matt.
With gels. With gel.
Jelly. Okay. Kain lang kami.
Oh.
Nying! Nying! Hi. Ano yan sa ulo mo? Hello! Sino ka naman? Palaging ano na lang ang ano mo sa vlog eh.
Oh.
Say hello.
Aloha. Welcome aboard.
Yeah. Hindi nga pala ngayon is Tuesday, December 2. Alright. Ay, grabe. Galing ako dito sa Walmart kanina. Tapos nakalimutan nilang bag yung binili kong dog food. So I have to go back. Saan ba ako nag-park? So I have to go back just to get it back. Wawa naman si Blaze. Walang food na nakain kanina. Ayun pala yun. Grabe. Piling niya pa ako ang haba ng line. Yan. Ako, kakabanas. Hindi naman ako may kasalanan. Bakit wala yung dog food sa bag. Tinawagan ko yung customer service ng Walmart. They just put me on hold. Wait. Ito sasakyan ko. Ba't ganito? God. Okay. Sorry about that. Yung van, I don't know, since my husband changed the battery, it's keep on acting up pag ni-start ko. So, I don't know. Kahapon pa to. Anyway, going back to the, so yun, I called their customer service. Tapos nung tinawagan ko na yung customer service, pinut naman ako ng on hold. Ang tagal. Tapos hinang up after. Ano ba yan? I'm vlogging while I'm driving. Anyway, not supposed to be. Okay. Tapos so yun, I just decided to go back to the store. Pagbalik ko ng store, pinahintay pa ako. Pinalinya pa ako. Grabe. Ang tagal. Susundin ko pa naman si Angeline. Wala na akong parking. Okay. I'll get back to you guys later. Hurry up. Yun, nandito na ako guys. I just decided to park right by the shopping center dito. Ewan ko, nakikita nyo siya sa labas. Anyway, yun. Shopping center to. Yun yung school nila Angeline. Yun. Maglalakad na lang ako papunta doon. Kasi, like I said, no more parking. Gonna go. Alright, she's here. Say hi. Na. nakapulot siya ng ano. Anong napulot mo? What did you
I got it.
found?
I
What is
got a
that?
safety pin.
Oh, be careful eh. Oh. Pakita mo nga. Yeah.
Teddy bear. Mommy,
So,
put
yeah.
it
Oh,
on.
what was the one you were showing to me a while ago?
Okay.
Show it to us. May papakita siya, guys. Lalakad kami, may pinapakita siya sa akin. Wow! She get perfect on her test today. Her
There
math
were
test.
8 colored pencils in a
Galing, oh.
box.
Napawi ang
Then
aking pagod.
we add more 6
Wow,
colored
good job, Angeline.
pencils. Now how many are left?
Galing,
So I
ah.
did neat work. I did a number sentence right there. And then the answer label is you have to put pencils
Wow!
and like
Tingnan
stickers
mo naman, guys.
and like footballs and
First
soccer
grade,
ball
ah.
and cupcakes.
Oh, star. Star of the night. Napula ang aking pagod. Okay, so,
I have some warmer
oh, while we're here waiting for
Kuya Pat.
Kuya Matt,
Kuya Pat. Make it
Ah.
Kuya Pat.
punta kami dyan sa Safeway. Yan, yan. Ay, makikita nyo. Yan. Bibilihan
Can you
ko siya
clip
ng
this?
donut.
Mommy,
You want donut?
Mama, can you clip
Oh, sige.
this?
Bibigay daw siya ng donation. Go! Oh, wow! Okay. Yan na bayad, Safeway. Go this way. This way. Kuha kami ng donut. Favorite niya to, guys. Pagbigyan ng yan. Favorite niya yung donut. 2 for $1.50. Dati ano ah? Yeah, tama. Oh, sarap. Which one? Go get the ano na. Hindi pa alam. Di ba yan ang dati gusto mo? Yung favorite niya. What do you want now? Hey! Malulog ka. Let me know. I'll get it for you. That one?
Yeah.
Okay. For me. Yun. Kuhanin namin si Kuya Matt. Oh, ito oh. Wait! Ah! Hindi ganyan ah. Open it. Yan. For Kuya Matthew. Oh. Can you put in the bag for me? Hindi ganito dati yung plastic bag nila ah. Parang ano na tuloy. Alright. Thank you. So yeah, there. We get 2. One for Angeline. One for Kuya Matt. Daming pagkain. Daming sweets. All sweet. I don't even know what I'm gonna get now. Ikot ako. See? Ito. Parang sarap nito. Red velvet. $4.99. Wow, sarap
Just
po.
looking at
And all the cakes. Cupcakes. Cute.
Ooh, Disney Fairy.
Do you think Kuya Matt will like this one?
I think so. Ooh, princess.
Donut tsaka ano? Brownies. Ang ganda naman ng ano na to. Christmas cake.
Mima.
Yan sa Office Max. May nakita na naman to. Ano mo na naman yan? Titingin lang sana ako ng ano, organizer. Planner, I mean organizer.
Mommy.
Kaya lang, mahal dito. Tingin na lang ako sa ano, sa Ross. Kaya sa Walmart.
Mommy, want.
Walmart na naman.
Mommy, I want it.
Ayan, oh. Pero ang gaganda ng planner nila.
Mommy.
Wait lang, I'm looking for a planner. Anuhin mo na naman yan.
Lido.
Standard diary. Alright.
Mommy,
Dito naman kami sa mga ano nung store to? Pink box. Tingin lang. Where you at?
Do you think
Di ba may
Kuya
ganyan
would
tao?
like this?
What's that?
A creeper head.
Hingi. Magkano naman yan? Tingin ko nga. How much? Let me see.
No more price. No more price.
Marami na siya mga ganito. Mira.
Okay.
I mean, stop toys. Let me see the... Angeline, you need this.
The PowerPoint presentation part.
$2.99. Pabili nga ako kay mama to sa Pilipinas. Tapos, ano.
A lot of variety.
Yeah.
The most sold item.
Ito naman kami sa school playground ngayon. Just waiting for Kuya Matt. Almost. Lapit na siya matapos. So, hintay lang kami. Jeline, mainit yan. Dito ka banda. Jeline, it's too hot in there. Punta ka kaya doon. Maglaro ka. I thought you said you're gonna play in the playground. Go. Kuya Matt! Isa doon, no? Come on, Angeline! We're gonna go home. Tatampo yan. Tampurista. Because she wants something and she didn't buy it. Too expensive. Hindi ka na. Sweet talaga ni brother. Oh, oh dito. Dito. Dito ako nag-park. Come on. Let's go, guys. It's tropic. So, hello. Kanina pa kami dumating ng bahay pero I have to clean up. Pinaliguan ko si Blaze. Tapos, naglinis na rin ako ng bahay. Tsaka, naglaban na rin para, naglalaban na rin ako right there. Para, bukas, medyo makapagpahinga. Ito, nandito lang kami. Kuya Matt doing his homework. Angeline playing with Blaze. Yun lang, so far. Matthew, are you almost done with your homework?
I just need help with number 4, the last one.
Okay. Okay. I'll try to vlog again later. Tutulungan ko lang siya na sa homework niya daw. Okay. Kaninang tampo yan eh. Taporesta.
Mommy, I didn't even I only read.
Hello. We're gonna say good night na.
Good night, everybody. Please like, subscribe, and share for everyone.
Okay. Thank you again for watching. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Bye.
And,
Angeline, your videos can only be 5 minutes long.
16.
That's too long.
okay.
Right there looks like it'd be pretty cool.
Again, thank you all for watching. And God bless
Turn his
everyone.
head so you can kind of make him move around his cup of tea.
Good night, Matt.
And it almost looks like his